Hello and welcome to Amsterdam Schiphol. What is an announcement? I'm in Amsterdam now, although I was supposed to be in Frankfurt, flying with Lufthansa to Shanghai. However, the flight to Frankfurt got cancelled, so I got rerouted with KLM via Amsterdam to Shanghai. And that's where I am now. So what shall I say? Shall I be annoyed about that or maybe even happy? Well, to be honest, I'm a bit annoyed. The reason is, with Lufthansa I would have flown on a Boeing 747. Yay, would be great. So now it's going to be a 777, also in a pretty old business class style configuration. But the same would have been also with Lufthansa, so there's no loss here. I have flown on the KLM 777-200 before. It's a video from 2020, so maybe you can check out over here. So you can compare. I'm gonna try to film on it. I know that they are a bit picky with people filming on it. And if all works out, you'll get a comprehensive review of another KLM Boeing 777-200 flight to Asia, this time to Shanghai, not to Manila like last time. And we can compare a bit how they evolved since 2020. It's time to head to the gate and get ready to board the KLM Boeing 777. And here it is, my ride for the next 12 hours, this 17 years old Boeing 777-200. Boarding was delayed by about 45 minutes due to technical reason, and soon I will find out what exactly the technical issue was. This is my seat for today, 3K, in this 222 business class configuration. On my seat I find this amenity kit, which we will check out after takeoff. I also got this blanket for later in the flight, since we are going to fly through the night. And I also find the menu and wine list at my seat. This is the IFE screen, which is not the largest I have seen so far, but surely big enough, I would say. And underneath I find this little storage space. KLM calls this world business class, probably in contrary to the European business class on their single-aisle aircraft. On the right, behind me, I find this bottle of water and the headphones and power sockets. A welcome drink was served in these beautiful glasses. There is heaps of overhead storage space, yet the cabin feels fairly spacious. Next to the IFE handheld, I find this pocket with documents. One of it is the safety card of this KLM Boeing 777. If you like, you can have a closer look at it when I hold it like this. There's more stuff in there, such as the air sickness bag, and there's also the Holland Herald, KLM's in-flight magazine. While not offering a direct aisle access for all seats, this slightly dated business class offers this privacy shield. And this is the well-used seat control with 2 presets. Boarding has been completed a week ago and we are still at the gate. I will find out why shortly. Before, let's have a look at the dining menu. Pause if you like to see all the options. I will probably go for the chicken. There are no individual air fans unfortunately, which wouldn't help anyway, as it seems the air conditioning is not working and it became very hot in the cabin. We were told there was a malfunction, and finally 2 external generators are being towed in place, one of them right under my window. However, the moment finally an airflow was noticeable, we were given clearance for pushback. About 1 hour after our scheduled off-block time, we were leaving the stand and the engine startup was approved. I was already worried that after my cancelled Lufthansa flight, this one would be cancelled too. bye bye Amsterdam, bye bye Netherlands, and hello beautiful engine view. KLM's business class offers this shoe compartment, which I am a fan of. The table is hidden in here and I can unfold it like this, to show you the amenity kit as promised. I'm not sure if I like this shopping bag-like amenity kit. It feels a bit fiddly, if that is a word. The amenity shopping bag contains a few creams and balms, a pair of socks, a pen, dental kit, and, interestingly, a pack of toothpaste tablets. We have just received a wet hand towel to freshen up a bit, as a pre-meal service is being provided. These are the KLM branded headphones that promise to be noise cancelling. The appetizer is being served and it looks like it's going to be a course by course serving. I chose the Thai red curry soup, which came with a green salad, tomatoes and candied pine nuts. The butter is luckily not deep frozen, as I have experienced with many other airlines. Next was the main course, and as mentioned earlier, I went for the chicken with lemon sauce, served with carrots, kind of beans and rice. The main dish was quite tasty, but the ride got quite bumpy in the meanwhile. To finish off, I chose the strawberry cake together with a cup of tea. Let's quickly visit the business class lavatory. Of course, since I'm on board a Dutch airline, a tulip cannot be missed. The walls are painted with the famous Dutch Delft houses, which you might also have seen at the very beginning of the video when I took the escalator. Here I also find the hand lotion, hand gel and face mist. And there are of course also napkins and towels. Would be strange if not. Evening has caught up and I try to rest a bit now. Watch a movie and then trying to sleep for a few hours. These are the IFE options, with the usual content such as movies, music, TV shows, games, kid stuff and the in-flight map. I will browse through the movie section a bit and feel free to pause if you want to check out something in particular. The cabin has dimmed the lights, a strong signal to go to sleep, which I will try to do now. Out of curiosity, I want to quickly check where we are now, until I wake up again, hopefully after a few hours of good sleep, and then I will see where I ended up waking up. It seems we are now abeam Samsun in Turkey, and I can even see the city lights. Okay, good night for now and talk to you again soon. I peeked through the window to discover that I woke up in broad daylight. While I slept not too bad, it wasn't the most comfortable sleep either. Definitely a coffee will be needed. But where did I wake up? Let's see. Oh, we are already deep in Chinese airspace, south of Mongolia, and soon flying past Beijing. Only about 2.5 hours till Shanghai. That means I slept roughly 5 hours, which is not too bad. I received a wet towel to freshen up a bit, and I hope breakfast and especially coffee will be served soon. While we wait for it, let's check out the in-flight Wi-Fi, in case that's something you cannot live without for a few hours, like me sometimes. There is a free messaging plan, but it does not include, for example, emails. If you want to access emails, browse the internet or even stream, you will have to pay for it. Breakfast has arrived, and for me it's going to be salmon with cheese and egg, a yogurt, fruit, and a croissant, and most importantly, a coffee. Traditionally, KLM offers a variety of ceramic Delft houses with gin in it to the business class guests. These are numbered, so if you are a frequent KLM business class traveler, you can keep track of the houses you already have. We are approaching Shanghai Pudong International Airport, ending my KLM experience for today. Welcome to China. If you haven't seen my China aviation series yet, consider subscribing to my channel and maybe watch my first episode. I found the flight was pleasant, the cabin crew was okay, not overly excited, but overall a good KLM business class experience. Although I still hope to try out their newer business class at some point. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye for now.